Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by launching Snipping Tool and selecting a capture mode so you can work efficiently. Open the app from Start, or press Windows key plus Shift plus S to drop the overlay immediately. Once the overlay is up, pick Rectangular for precise areas, Freeform for irregular shapes, Window to capture an app, or Full Screen to grab everything. Make sure to verify the mode because it determines how your selection behaves. This saves time and avoids repeated captures when you need a clean shot. Now capture the area and add context using annotation tools. Click New in the Snipping Tool app or drag with the overlay to create the snip, then use the pen for lines and the highlighter to emphasize. The eraser removes pen marks if needed. Once annotated, choose Save to store a PNG or JPG, or hit Copy to send the image to another app instantly. Make sure to name files clearly and pick a folder so you can find screenshots later without wasting. Finish by saving and sharing your snip, or use the share button to send it directly through email or chat. If you need menus or tooltips captured, set a delay so transient UI appears during capture. Once done, export the file or copy it to the clipboard for immediate pasting. If Snipping Tool fails to open or the overlay won't appear, restart the app, try Windows key plus Shift plus S again, or reboot Windows. These quick fixes resolve most common glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.